Subscribe to my channel Prick Now to make it and click on the bell icon to watch my latest videos first. To make this project, I am using a waste paper roll. It is very thin and easy to work with. From that I'll cut 14 circles. Now I'll fold it one by one. After folding the circles, we will apply some glue. So you can use any type of glue. Just apply the glue at the center of all the circles. Fold it and stick it. When it's done, the next step is apply glue at the top and bottom of the semicircle and stick all the semicircles together. Here I am using this Fevistick Rock and Roller. It's a very good glue for this kind of craft. You can take it from online or as well as from nearby market. After joining the semicircles, we'll take a thread and take any quick dry glue, then apply it like this way. Now the final task is to apply glue at the bottom and the top of the semicircle and join it together. And here you will get a very nice paper ball to hang on your wall. You can use this craft for Diwali as well. For that you need to take colorful papers and make some balls to hang on your wall, and it will give a very nice effect to your room. So I hope you like this video and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it with your friends.